Hi there, students. Je ne sais quoi. Okay, je ne sais quoi is a noun phrase. It's pure French, but in English we use it to mean a positive, indefinable quality that makes something attractive or distinctive. His sense of humour has a je ne sais quoi about it. She has a certain je ne sais quoi about her. She has some special quality that people like, that people find attractive. Very often before this phrase we use a certain or a special. A certain je ne sais quoi, a special je ne sais quoi, and then very often after it, about her, about them. His cooking has a certain je ne sais quoi about it, some special thing that I can't quite pinpoint. Okay, this phrase je ne sais quoi is French. It means I do not know what. Je ne sais, should be pas. Je ne sais, I don't know, and quoi, what. So I don't know what, I can't define it. This hotel has a je ne sais quoi about it, which I love. This is a very positive phrase. To have je ne sais quoi, you're saying something is really good and it's got some special, it's got oomph to it. It has some special quality that it's hard to pin down exactly what that quality is. Some people say there's a certain je ne sais quoi about my explanations. So it's saying it's appealing, an appealing quality that cannot adequately be defined or expressed. He's charming and has a je ne sais quoi about him. Okay, so it's saying it's got something special that makes it out of the ordinary. So your next question, what about formality? Well, firstly, I would say this phrase sounds slightly posh. Generally, French phrases sound a little bit posher. Although, I think I'd probably give it something like a 5 in formality. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. And I think you could probably use it in a formal document as well. So, something nice and flexible. So, je ne sais quoi, a special quality that makes it distinctive, that gives it that edge. Okay? So, je ne sais quoi. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Je ne sais quoi.